And what's up, traders? Oh, what a day. How are we all doing today? Everything good? Everybody make money? How'd it go? I did okay. I was working today. I had to get out and actually physically. And what's up, traders? Whoa. I had to get out and physically work, so yeah. Doesn't hurt to get out and do some stuff, but it's funny though. I work a lot better than my guys do. When they work, they get $1,000, $1,500 done in a whole day. I was done by noon. Actually, 10:30, 11:30, one of the two. I don't remember, but I was done pretty quick. Got my thousand in on production. Called it a day. So I did trade while I was out working a little bit, but not much. I've only traded funded today. That's it. I take that back. I did trade last night. So you see the 712 there, that was from last night. The rest are funded and live. I did trade my live yesterday and my funded. So 712 was the eval though. I need the market to push back up because got a couple trades on in micros currently. And we have a little bit of time left. Let's see, we have 1 hour and 30 minutes. I'm hoping that I don't have to close these trades. But it looks like I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna go ahead and set this one into the green. Which sucks. I've been waiting on these to go back up for a while. I will be on later, by the way, for night streaming Tokyo session. These are both funded accounts, so I don't want to lose a trade on a funded. Do I have any that I have to trade today, though? All right, back into the green here. Come on. Nate, looks like you had a solid day. Yeah, if you call it that, it's okay. I'm not upset by any means about the day that I've had, but I wasn't able to trade this morning, so I had to actually go out and work. I own a business, and yeah, I had to go work my business.
Stop.
So I wasn't able to trade much, but no big deal. No big deal at all. Get this music playing real quick. How was your day, Nate? Guys, let me know if that music's too loud. If I have to, I'll cut it down some. I should have stayed in that. Still in over here, though. Hopefully we can close this trade in the green. Both of them. This one's closed with $20 in profit. Where's that? Yeah, $20.80. Pretty much break even, but did pass my last challenge, so that's good. Heck yeah, man. Congrats. Happy for you. Here's my other trade I'm in right now. Really want to see it climb back up. I'm on the 15-minute chart here. Switch down to the 5. Hey Nate, how's that music sound over there? Cave, what's up, brother? I know you had a good P&L today, didn't you? I've been trading micros all day. I traded some minis, but not much. It's been a decent day. Perfect. I don't want the music to be too loud either. Like, if it's too loud as far as like distracting, you know what I mean? Y'all ignore my kids playing back there. Red today. Daggum, Cave. Man. Alright, better luck tomorrow. I'm glad these red days don't happen much on my end. These are all funded accounts too. The one, all the green you see. The 712 is a Tradeify eval. We're halfway past on it. That's the only red. I mean, that's the only red I have is another trade I took earlier, but nothing else. Just an eval. All my pros, everything is green. The red I have right now is 239, 242 now. It's the trade you see on the dash there. Hopefully it turns green. We got an hour and some change. Survive to trade another day, yeah. What's up, ladies? Stay in there, okay? Go play in the living room. I'm on live. I see you.
Hello.
You here live and
Hello.
shh, I'm gonna mute you.
I had the
Be calm.
hat on. Daddy, I had this on.
I saw. Go.
Olive, I went on live with this on.
Can you chill, please? Go play. Sorry about that. Hopefully they weren't too loud. Glad you get to survive another day, sir. That's good. Look at that beautiful cross. Thank you, Lord, for your sacrifice. I'm hoping we crash to the upside. Kind of been trading the chop at the bottom, placing a trade. It's been chop all day, mostly. Up and down. But it was good chop today. It wasn't bad. Mostly bullish. I'm only going to be on for like an hour, maybe even 30 minutes. Just wanted to come say hey for a bit. Yeah, super choppy. Yeah, it's been a weird day for sure. But we have news tomorrow, so that's probably why. Typically, the day before tomorrow's news is pretty slow. Today's news wasn't anything. Didn't even move the market. Tomorrow we have FOMC though. So tomorrow's going to be a day you either want to stay out of the market or trade some evals. I won't be trading any funded except, I don't know. We'll see how the market reacts to FOMC. I plan to short 5 Tradeifys, 5, a bunch more Apex. I'm going to try to pass the one-day passes tomorrow. Salmon season starts here on Vancouver Island next week. Campbell River is the salmon capital of the world, yeah. Salmon's plentiful up in the northern parts of the world, huh? I've never salmon fished, though I would like to. Be cool. Guys, I'm almost at 400 subscribers. Can you believe that? That's wild. 6 more to go until 400. This morning we were at like, I don't know, 350, 370, something like that. I'm shot in every funded account I have now. Man, that sucks. Short. You think so? Short term, I mean, we've been in a choppy range for a while, and we're coming up. So I feel like we might come back into the 22,930s. I don't know. We've had a lot of rejection down here, and we're finally getting down to this area. If we can get another rejection here and close above 22,890s on the candle we're on for the 4 hour, I feel like as long as we don't engulf, I feel like it's probably okay for short term to the upside. Be on your side at Cave. Wait till my trade's over, Cave. I need it to go up in the meantime. I just watched the sell and start. I just watched the sell and start. We'll see. I'm going to tighten my stop loss just in case. I'm going to keep it down here. I haven't looked at the Dom. Ninja Trader. There it is. I don't know, man. We got a lot more bigger contracts for the green side. We did. What goes down must come up, right? Come on, NASDAQ. Bear flag or catch the shorts off the side. Offside, only the time will tell. Yeah. Looks like a bear flag to me. I've been doing pretty good long in the market today. So got an hour and 20 minutes left of this 4 hour candle. If it does not come close below, then I'm gonna play the bull side here. Watch it rip up after I'm out. We'll tell her to let you. I'm sorry. My kids, man. Hi, you operate with your Apex accounts? Yeah, some. I haven't traded any of my eval Apex today. But I have Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Funding Ticks, Live, my own personal live account, and then I have Bill Knox, and did I say Funding Ticks? I've got a lot of accounts. What do you trade with, Meeg? Hope I said that right. Look at that reversal, sir. Hope you collected your 10 points. Was that 10? 93, 83. Yeah. You caught at least 10 points there, didn't you? Hang on, I gotta meet. Gotta play mediator. First target, 2238. What? What are you trading? I assume that was a typo. 22,838. All right. Let's see if it goes. What's your entry? On the 4 hour, if this candle we're currently on can create a little bit more upside momentum, we have a higher low. So I don't know that you're gonna reach the 800s. I don't know. I mean, if you do, that's pretty wild. And honestly, I kind of hope you do, because I'm gonna long the crap out of that. My stop is at 22,930. What's your entry, Cave? 22,930. 22,875. We're gonna change it to green. Hopefully that it'll give you some luck. Just gonna keep up with it. I hope you make it, man. All right, all lined up. Hard to short this market. I agree. I've only wanted to buy. Kind of want to buy right now. Looks like it's starting to turn. I don't know. If we didn't have 1 hour and 14 minutes to close, I'd be 22,800. Yeah, I'm not gonna mark the 800. I was gonna, but are you trading funded? Oh yeah, you said all your funded accounts, but you got an hour. You have an hour and 14 minutes until market closes. Do you honestly think we can get there in that amount of time? The market's about to slow down to Slow as molasses uphill in a winter. It's about to creep. So my live account, I made $6.68 today. I didn't trade much. Yesterday I made like 50 or 60 bucks. Target, yes, funded. Are you able to keep them keep your trades open through the closure? The 5 o'clock closure? I know some firms you can, like Top One, if you pay for it, you can have them open through the weekend and at market close for the hour. See, I wanted to long that pop right there. About to cut my losses on another trade over here. I'm just executing on my trend line strategy. No, I just closed at the 5 minute before. Okay. Look at that pop to the upside. Are you in NQ or mini or micro? One micro. Okay. Makes me feel a little better. Look at that pop. I should have stayed in the dang market. Holy cow. We'd be in the profit right now. I was down $1,600 on this trade here on my Top Step account. But we are sitting pretty good now. Well, I say that, but this is the 4 hour. We're going to have wicks for sure. I think we're going to pop to the upside. We had 20 or 40 points of a wick here. It's time to go up. That's it. It's time to go up. Y'all let me know at any point if this music gets to be a little bit disruptive. 'Cause I can't hear what you hear. Nice rip to the upside. True Raps. TP 23,000. Yes, 23,000. Where you long from? I can't trade right now. I'm in a trade where cooking to the upside, but I can't trade anything else. I'm gonna close this a few minutes before market close. But like I said, Cave, that those wicks, man, they tell a story. The story is this. To the upside. To the upside. Long just now. Okay, cool. Heck yeah, man. It's a little too close to the market close for me. I don't want to get stuck in a losing trade. I like to give it time. I told you though, I wanted a long right there, but I couldn't do it. I'm gonna leave this here and I'll just switch over to this one. There we go. Holding just one account short. Stopped on one account. Probably a good idea, sir. When you said you were shorting and hoping to go down, I'm just like, no, 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 no. I thought you said shot at first. Well, you did, but you fixed it. I don't know. I just feel like we're still bullish. I mean, we've been bull. Let's see, since here. And then we had a huge drop, so I'm buying, obviously. Look at these wicks. I mean, if you bought this wick here, you made a lot of money. If you bought this wick here, you made a lot of money. If you bought this wick here, you made a lot of money too. I've been buying all these wicks, passing evals, and no, I don't trade gold. Every now and then I'll throw in a trade, but not really for the most part. I'm a NASDAQ trader. I just follow my rules every day. It says to short, so I short. No questions asked. Oh, I wasn't harping on you, bud. For me, I see things differently. You know what I mean? I know you follow your rules. You're a good trader. Last time I was live streaming, you were here, but you were back testing. I mean, that says a lot. But yeah, if your setup comes, play it. Manage that risk. Yeah, I feel you. Like I said, though, I think we've kind of created a higher low here. So my whole thing played out like I said it would. See what I mean? The market, I don't remember when it was, but we were gonna come up, come down, and now we're coming back up. We came down pretty hard, bought back up, now we're coming down again. But let's see if we respect this trend here. On the lower, I get rid of this. I want this to continue to the lower high. I don't want to come down anymore. I like buying the market. Let's see, 15-minute chart. This needs to stay lower. Lower high. All right, $830. Ooh. I'm gonna switch back down to the 30-minute. I'll play these wigs. If this 4-hour candle comes all the way up here and creates a little hammer, a doji, I'm longing. Hang on, my wife's calling. my wife is at the baby doctor, and the doctor, this is the second appointment she's had with him over something that's going on, and each time she's been there, she's sat there for an hour, and I would normally be there, but she wanted to get away from the girls because they're driving her insane. But the doctors had to leave for a delivery of another baby, so it's really annoying that this is twice, waiting over an hour each time. I get it, babies happen, but man, at least call her and say something, man, instead of making her wait all that time. Why an hour wait, though? Should have seen her knowing that this is the second appointment. I guess I'm just complaining. It's not really fair. I'm going to switch back over to the main scene here. We can see the trading screen good. We're down $900. This trade I've been in for a while. How long have we been in? Like 30 minutes or so? I don't remember. An hour? All right, 4 more subscribers and we'll be at 400 subscribers. That's pretty cool. I can't tell you guys how much I appreciate the support. You have no idea. Pretty awesome. Isn't there a way to loop a video on YouTube? Like to keep playing it? Thought there was. Come on, NASDAQ. Push, 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 push. Wrong way. Where's the other guy? Who else? Who was long? True Raps, 23,000 take profit. Man, there's no way you're gonna make that before time to close. Endo OG, there you go, my guy, using that indicator for. Hey. Yeah, that thing is awesome. I was a little bit turned off by it initially, but I do like it. I've played with it a little bit. I've kind of found where I want it. You know what I mean? But I do like the 4-hour candle. That's my time frame. So I like being able to see it on top of the trade. At first I was confused, but I see now like this, where this is at here is where the price is currently at. So after I got a moment to get used to it and seeing everything, I'm satisfied. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. Thanks, Indo. Appreciate you. And True Raps, I scalped a bit and closed. You sound like me, man. Can't hold a trade long for nothing. Give me 5 minutes and I'm out. There ain't no way I can hold past 5 minutes. I don't know why. Can't do it. Sometimes 10 or 15 minutes, but today I've been doing really good. I've held trades for, an hour or more. But I've been trading mini or micros, so that kind of helps out a little bit. But I knew you weren't gonna hold that long. There ain't no way. Nice. We're down 425. Indo trades. Let's see. I've been trying to write my own script on the Pine script for that indicator just in case the creator locks it or wants to charge for it, but no luck yet. I got a guy. He was on yesterday, Lieutenant Dan. If you do, let me know. But I doubt I'd buy it. It's a pretty good script. I've been messing with Pine, but I'm using, what am I using? ChatGPT to make the edit. There's got to be a way you can get it. Let's see. Is it in Pine now? This is my indicator. No, that's MACD. Never mind. I don't know how to do it. It's been a while. Put it in ChatGPT. See if that works. All right, 275. Looking good. Looking good. Caveman, you should have just listened to me. Just kidding, man. Source code is locked. It wouldn't be hard. I don't think it would be hard to create one. If they ever lock it out, I'll have somebody make one. It is a good idea. All right, this is a funded. No, this is not a funded. Yeah, it is a funded account. I need this to work out. No, this is not a funded account. Sorry. I was just confused. This is Top Step eval. If I'd have known we'd have this much movement, I would have stayed in that other trade a little longer. This is the better version by a guy named 2 Degrees, and it's called HTFPO3, but it's locked and he charges like $45 a month for that. I've tried using GTP to write my own, no luck. To use ChatGPT, you're gonna have to have some sort of code, maybe even a picture. I might try it out later. I'll see if Dan can help out with it. $45 a month though. Wow. Dude's trying to get rich. Wow, when there's a free one, you know? The other one becomes paid. I'll write one. Don't worry. All right, we go from 250 in the red to 600 in the red. And now the market's not wanting to move much, so lovely. I use ChatGPT to create my own trend indicator. That's cool, man. Honestly, I didn't know you could do that with ChatGPT until recently. It's cool. I've been using the crap out of it. Don't worry, Indo. I like it enough to where I'll have somebody write one. Probably pay somebody to do it. I'm gonna add one more. One more in there. Top Step closes all trades at Central Time at 3:10. Really? That sucks. I didn't even know that. I was wondering why sometimes I can't open a trade whenever it's still like an hour. It doesn't cause you to lose your account though, does it? I'm gonna trail my stop pretty tight. I'm 4 contracts in, so I like to stretch it really good. My throat is still killing me. I like to stretch it really good and get granular with these stops. What the heck's going on here? All right, we're out. I'll check it out. Let's look at it real quick. Indicators. What's it called? 2 degrees. It's called what was it called again? HTFPO3. Does he sell it somewhere? Or? Okay, scripts. John Snow? No, my name is John Smith. I'll look this up later, but Dan, are you Dan the man? I'll check it out later, Dan or Indo. I'm gonna try to find it. Jon Snow. Who's Jon Snow? Yeah, that one is locked. Charged 45 a month. He has a free one too, but only shows one candle. Imagine if we can code it exact same ourselves and have it no pay would be very helpful. Yeah, for sure. Just give it away for free. $3.97. Someone subscribed. Who was it? And 3 more to go to 400. I like this house music. Yeah, I'll be back late Asian session, Tokyo session. Look at this rip up. We're going up, guys. Next session, best believe I'm taking a long position. Quite a few. I might copy trade all my accounts long. Peace out, Indo. Oh, by the way, I didn't go to Huntsville today. I decided to stay and get a bunch of work done. We gotta close high. Come on. This will be day 16 or 15, all green. So pleased with the market lately. Though I haven't made 5,000 plus in the last 2 days trading though. It's been like 2 or 3,000 a day the last couple days. Been busy, man. Trying to see. I think I might pop off here for a bit. Come back in a couple hours when Asian session starts. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it running for a bit though. I'm gonna run away for a moment. I'll be right back. Need 3 more subs for 400. Maybe I'll have it by the time I get back. Be right back. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Later, Cave. If you're still here, man. I'm about to call it too. Got an hour of closure. I'll be back probably 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 2 hours. We'll see. The market hasn't really pushed up a lot, but it's come up. Should have stayed in that trade I was in because, man, I would have been in the green quite a bit. Would have hit my stop loss, so it is what it is. All right, I'm gonna call it. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. I don't want to sit here and stare at a screen. It's just barely moving, so I'm out. It's literally barely moving. Barely. I do believe, though, that we should see some nice run to the upside. I'm going to guess a gap to the upside. That's what I hope. I might actually take a trade on my live account and see if we can catch some of that gap. Should I not? I'm going to not, actually. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If I don't see you in the next stream in a couple hours, see you tomorrow. Peace.